What you got now, Wicky?
Well, we discovered missing bolt on at least one side here. So this piece here is this rear trim stick, which is this, what we're looking at. And this is in the male hinge. You can see it's threaded. They're not lined up and there's no bolt. This is on the passenger side. On the driver's side, there's a bolt in there and there is an attachment. I know you'll find this shocking, but that's not the right bolt. And there is no bushing or anything in there. So I came back to try to figure out of our trusty dusty kit what we're gonna use. I found this neat little picture here, and I am pretty certain these are the bolts. Looks very much like that guy.
Bolts in question, or is it this one? That's too small, huh?
Yeah.
Did I just make you second guess shit?
Because
I'm horrible about that.
And see, if you look at this bolt, it's got that tapered end on it.
And the flange.
This would be the only other option because every other one of these bags has nuts in it. Oh, this is way too big.
Yeah, that's huge.
So I'm pretty sure these are it. I'll check the threads on the one side, but it's going to be a little bit of a challenge to get this lined up because this trim stick, I think, fits in there with a friction fit to keep the back of the top taut. And on the side where our bolt is missing, this is kind of forward and up. So we're going to have to wrestle that thing back and probably try to pull the other side around. I don't know how easy that's going to be. I'm envisioning it not being easy.
Well, always something.
Yes.